The book The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel is a powerful exploration of how people actually behave with money, and it challenges the common belief that financial success is purely about intelligence, knowledge, or technical skills. Instead, the book reveals that money decisions are deeply emotional and psychological, shaped by personal experiences, upbringing, fear, ego, and even random life events. Morgan Housel explains that two people with the same financial knowledge can make completely different decisions because their perspectives are shaped by different life journeys, which is why there is no one-size-fits-all formula for wealth. One of the central ideas in the book is that managing money is more about behavior than mathematics, meaning patience, discipline, and long-term thinking matter far more than trying to be extremely smart or chasing quick gains. The author emphasizes the incredible power of compounding, describing it as the silent engine of wealth creation, where small, consistent investments grow exponentially over time, much like planting a tiny seed that slowly turns into a massive tree. However, he also warns that this growth requires time and consistency, and most people fail because they become impatient or react emotionally to short-term market fluctuations. The book also highlights the importance of understanding the difference between getting rich and staying rich. Getting rich often involves taking risks, being aggressive, or seizing opportunities. But staying rich requires humility, caution, and the ability to avoid unnecessary risks that could wipe out everything. Another key lesson is about the role of luck and risk in financial success. Housel explains that many successful people benefit from good timing or fortunate circumstances, while others fail due to bad luck, even if they made reasonable decisions. Because of this, the book advises readers not to blindly copy others' strategies or judge people solely based on outcomes, but instead focus on building habits that increase the probability of long-term success. The author also discusses how people often misunderstand wealth, confusing it with visible signs of money like expensive cars, luxury clothes, or big houses, while true wealth is actually what you don't see: savings, investments, and financial freedom. According to the book, real success with money is about having control over your time and the ability to make choices without being forced by financial pressure. Another important concept is the idea of enough, where the author warns that constantly chasing more money without limits can lead to poor decisions, unnecessary risks, and dissatisfaction. Knowing when you have enough helps protect both your wealth and your peace of mind. The book also emphasizes the importance of saving, even without a specific goal, because savings provide flexibility and security in an uncertain world. It encourages readers to avoid debt when possible, especially lifestyle debt, and to invest in a way that allows them to sleep peacefully at night rather than constantly worrying about losses. Housel further explains that long-term success comes from consistency and avoiding big mistakes rather than trying to achieve extraordinary returns. He uses simple stories and relatable examples throughout the book to make complex financial ideas easy to understand, showing how ordinary people can build wealth by following simple, disciplined habits over time. Overall, the book delivers a timeless message that financial success is not about being the smartest person in the room, but about having the right mindset, controlling your emotions, being patient, and making decisions that align with your personal goals and comfort level. It teaches that money is not just a tool for buying things, but a way to gain freedom, reduce stress, and live life on your own terms, making it one of the most practical and thought-provoking books on personal finance.